So the objective of our lesson is I can calculate continuous compound interest. Now what that is that it means that the account is continuously earning interest. So there's not a number of times per year. So the formula is just A equals P, the number E, as in the number E that we introduced earlier, raised to the RT power. Suppose 800 is invested in an account at a 6% interest rate compounded continuously. If no other withdrawals or deposits are made, find the balance in the account after 20 years. So the amount is the principal times E to the 0.06 times number of years is 20. So then all we do is multiply this out. The number E is on the division sign. So you're actually going to type 800 second division sign, and then you're going to press caret to the 0.06 times 20. So the amount is find the balance in an account after 5 years if 1,200 is invested at an interest rate of 12.5% per year compounding continuously. So this is going to be the amount is 1,200 E to the 0.125 times 5. So the amount is 2,241.89. Really 0.90. So after this lesson, you now can calculate compounded continuous interest problems.